snowing heavily today, and this is the right moment to go to the seaside. I will elaborate on this, why this is a great moment and why such moments should exist, and why I enjoy them. I had a couple times when I've been thinking about this, and I think this is something important that we might not really know or acknowledge in our daily life. But first things first, I'm waiting for my car to heat up just a bit. So yeah, I got some bananas with me, some water, drinking water. I've got a insulated flask, actually 2 of these, and the one I'm leaving in the car. It's very warm water inside, and I want it to be like additional supply left in the car. I think with -4, probably it will be a bit lower temperature there by the seaside, but I think this will be just fine. It will be enough to stay warm for a couple of hours. More than that, I have no idea what's happening on the roads. The snow is falling since the very morning, since I woke up. So it's like 3-4 hours for sure. I have to be prepared. I prefer to be prepared. Okay. Yeah, and the bananas are the best food on the earth. It's perfect in terms of nutrition. It's perfectly packaged by nature. I love them for this reason. The water is fresh already. So when I am away, I think it will get really cold and I won't be able to drink it anymore. So this is for now. This one is for now, and the flask is for later, and one more flask, a bigger one, I'm taking with me. It has warm water inside as well. So yeah, I should have enough water with me. It's winter. I understand that snow can be melted and theoretically consumed to refill the water, but that's probably not the best way to do it. I'm not really sure about the quality, so I better take some additional weights, but be sure that this is a good water. Okay, need to turn on the fans. It will be loud, so I'm stopping recording. I need to plug my second camera to charge while I'm driving. I haven't been using this for a while. This one, it's DJI Action 1, the first version. I was having a few videos made with it. Actually much more, but there are just a few of them that's been published anywhere. Nevertheless, great cam within the good light. I think it will be just great to capture some general footages. Okay, vamos! I'm in Sacristy. 2 hours later. It took me much more time than I've been expecting. I could definitely use a train. It would be, kind of faster actually. I would be here at the same place on the station. So, well, snow is falling again. I'm going to the seaside. Gonna pack my things, prepare, and go. I have definitely underestimated how much snow it is here. It's really tough to walk. So much, and when I'm walking, I'm even getting deeper sometimes because underneath it's sand. So yeah, it's a challenging one. I must confess, it's a challenging one. I was not expecting it. But on the other hand, the true Nordic winter, it's around -5, wind is blowing, and there is a snow coming, limiting the view and punching me in the face. Yeah, that's an interesting one. True winter, just like I wanted it to be. In the beginning I promised I tell more about why to do this, why I'm doing this. And I think this is the right moment. So first of all, we need rest. By we, I mean humans. And the deep rest means we have no contact with other people, thought. So not reading, not listening to music, not watching TV or social medias or anything like that. So nothing much is left actually. Most of our modern activities belongs exactly to these categories. We are either exchanging information or we are consuming it. And this can't be rest, because it is not. Moreover, I could go much closer. I could go to my favorite place on the river's bank, the one I'm visiting very often while cycling. But it won't be it. The noise that's coming from humans, from people. Okay, I should be careful here because there is a kind of river, or sort of that. I can see some steps, footsteps. Which one do I follow? This to the right, there are a few of this, or this to the left, but this is definitely the river. Well, I will take the safe path and we'll see. Okay, so the noise. The noise is present here as well. The waves, the wind. It is the noise, but it's natural noise. Oh, okay, it seems I'm in the middle of it. Probably I should just get back. I need to be careful here. It was cracking there, so most probably I need to take a look on the map where it is and where it is actually not. Not a big river, but if I get in, then, well, nothing good will happen. Well, it still shows me like I'm standing in the middle of it. It's actually wider than I expected. Okay. So, people were walking, so what should I do? I'm quite a heavy walker. But I got it there so far. Otherwise, I have to climb up somewhere there. Not sure if there are any trails at all. And then follow through the forest for a while. Well, probably this will be wise. Okay, so that thing that I've been telling you about, kinda about having a silence and rest, is that still a river? Shit. So this is kinda the river as well. Just taking into account there are dog steps. Something's cracking under knees. So I need to get back a bit. Well, I understand GPS is not precise, that's fine. But, nah. It seems to be completely misplacing me. Well, I can clearly see where is the river and where is the bank, so... Okay, probably there are some side traits or things like that. Okay, anyways, I'll get to the forest and we'll continue. The good thing is I'm not so far from civilization, just in case. But nevertheless, nobody's here. It's pretty challenging with all this snow to get to the top, to get to the forest. Children are having fun here, definitely. Okay, this should be the trail. There was a sign, this trail, if it is the same trail, if that's the one, if this trail is the one I've been crossing there, then this is the Sunset Trail. It's the best trail I could have at 3:45 p.m. here in Latvia in January, because it's literally the sunset coming up in a few minutes, in like 10-15 minutes. I can't see any sun, but the sea is beautiful. I'm expecting this to be a sign that this is the trail, actually. And it's quite comfy to walk here. Snow is not such deep here as well. Okay. So having a rest, having a less noise, artificial noise, is a great way to rest and reset. Can it be learned faster than in a few years after 30? Well, I think it's not about learning. I think it's actually about understanding the value, about valuing it. Less noise, more actions, more activities. That's the way our ancestors were living. That's the way our bodies are built. And we're using them completely differently. I mean the bodies. We are sitting, a lot of us. First of all, I'm speaking about myself. I'm sitting a lot, thinking a lot. And that's the day. That is what I call a day. I used to call a day. Now it's different. More ideas comes whenever I move. Just need to stop thinking about all ideas. Overthinking. This is what kills creativity as well. So, why to do that? I could sit at home, it's warm there is enough food. Probably I could use AI and build something or make more money or anything like that. Probably I would. But what I found out, we are so deep in comfort, and discomfort became so much about thinking about discomfort that we are completely lost. Like, I mean, literally. We are thinking we are afraid of something, we are thinking we are we feel anxiety about different things that we think. But in reality, we may still sit in the same room, warm room, and we try to generate a lot of signals. We are generating a lot of signals, dangerous signals for our bodies. But our body cannot feel it, cannot sense it. Stable temperature, warm, food is coming. Sleep deprivation, kinda is a problem in modern societies, in Western world. Not sure about Eastern world. And this is why I learned I need to go outside. I need to face the weather that might be a bit too harsh or uncomfy. Sometimes even disgusting. And then getting back. Sitting home with a hot tea, with a full plate of food. It feels like a reward. It feels like a real thing. And some potential problems that are drawn by my mind, something that I reinvent constantly, these problems. It clearly becomes visible that these aren't real.
Walking on the ice through the frozen river when it's not clear what's under the snow, that's the real problem. That's the real danger. That's the real signal. Walking down from a hill that might be slippery, feeling what's happening under my foot, sliding a bit. These are the real signals. These are the real things. It helps to feel. And that's the entire magic. Having real feelings. Isn't it nice here? I was missing winters. Last winters where there were no winters. I used to say plus minus 0. It's like -1 plus 3 and rainy. But this is a real winter. You change the tempo. Even driving is more demanding in such conditions. Walking is demanding in such conditions. I'm wearing my warm what it is, parka. It's a bit overkill for walking, but when I am standing and filming something, shooting, making pictures, it's regulating the right way. I mean, it's not hot anymore, those moments. So standing still for 5 minutes is just fine. Someone's preparing this trail, cleaning up, or I don't know. I was thinking I have not enough time to enjoy this walk before it's getting dark. But right now, I think this will be enough, taking into account I need to get back. Probably visit the other place, Balta Kappa, and then get back to the car. I will see. Anyway, I want to get back to the sea for a while. There should be a bridge or a trail. So yeah, a way to cross a river safely for me. A safe way to cross a river. I'll do that, make some footages. And it will be dark, I suppose. Made it further back to the sea. It's getting dark slowly. I could get back on that trail I've been following here, but actually it will be night, and well, I shall probably have a break somewhere here and then get to the city. It's actually just probably 150 meters away, so it should be light there. I suppose it should be nice there because I see a lot of houses still has all the lights, all the decorations for Christmas and New Year, so it's still there, so it should be quite nice. So yeah, and the sea, well, it's winter. The sea is brown. The color of the sea is brown, and yeah, it won't freeze, but on the edge of the beach there are frozen. It's not actually it's a sand, and the drops of the sea, despite its salt, it contains salt, it's still freezing. Yeah, that's an interesting moment. Somehow January was always lonely, probably the most lonely month after all the Christmas, after all the New Year, all the celebrations and family and everything else. Everything stops in January. It's a month to reconcile, to build new base, to... Actually, I think this is the right moment to catch up with the plans. We are obsessed with ending the year and making plans for the new year, and we are rushing because it's Christmas presents and then everything else is happening for us, whatever. But actually January is the silent month. After we had fun, everyone's getting back to their regular life. And that's the right moment to reconsider, to reconcile, to make new plans. What are your plans for this year? I know mine will be great. I don't know how yet, but I already feel it's great. It's such a great feeling standing here while everyone is hiding in their homes. Yeah, it's warm there, a lot of food, etc. But here, nobody's standing here. Just a few are showing up. And I know I should do the same. Show up, especially at a place and a time when nobody else do. You should do it too. But first, what it takes to become comfortable with silence and loneliness. Because right now, well, nobody's here. Yeah, some lights are up now, but well, nobody's here. Nobody's with me today. I took my cam and I'm talking to it from time to time, but I'm not getting any answers. I'm just sharing what's inside me. That's the tricky part. But that's a different story. Okay, I need to take a break and come up with the plan how to get back. Obviously, I planned my trip the way I planned previously. I can catch a train, but there are just a few kilometers from my car. So I'm really walking. The walk. I had a nice walk following the cozy path with lights set up around the level of my knee, so probably like 40 centimeters above the ground. It creates a very cozy atmosphere there, and it's been clean, and quite a lot of people are using it, and there are a lot of benches right on the trail and a bit toward the sea, and the sea can be heard there very well. So it was a walk by the sea, very nice one. Now it's time to get back to my car. I will consider if I want to make additional trip and some extra steps to get to the White Dune or not, but I have around an hour to decide, because that's the same direction where my car left. So I made it back. I had a great walk, roughly around an hour, something like probably 4 kilometers or so. I had a supper, I had a snack, and now I'm in my car. So the move with the water was really great. The water is really warm, the one that I left in the car, so it works really well. It's -7 currently in the car. Yeah, I'm warming it up a bit, and that's it. Time to get home.